Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook shakoy without yeast. First, let's prepare our essential dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk these together thoroughly, ensuring everything is well distributed throughout the mixture. This careful initial step sets a strong foundation, leading to wonderfully light and delicious shakoy. Now, let's combine our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, lightly beat 1 large egg, then stir in 1/4 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Once these are well combined, gradually pour the wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Mix everything gently with a spatula or wooden spoon until a shaggy, cohesive dough begins to form. Avoid overmixing at this stage, as we want to keep the dough tender. Once your dough is formed, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, pushing and folding until it transforms into a smooth, elastic ball. This step is crucial for developing the dough's texture and tenderness. Afterwards, cover your dough with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the gluten to relax. With your controller configured and DS4 Windows active, launch MX Bikes. Once in the game, open the main menu and go to the Options section, then select Controls. Here, you should see your controller recognized as an Xbox 360 gamepad. Assign the in-game actions like throttle, brake, and steering to your controller's buttons and axes. Make sure to apply these changes before exiting the control settings. This step bridges the software to your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.